Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial we are going to explore the Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing platform that is provided by Google. So to use this platform you have to be with a Google account and you have to make sure you're logged into that account. So to start the meeting you just come and click on start a meeting. So when you click on it, then this program will start to load for you that platform. Now you can see here it is telling you getting ready. You will be able to join in just a moment. So when it is loading you have to be patient. This one will depend on your computer and maybe the internet speed. So when the platform is loaded, before you can have access to your photo, on this top left corner there will always appear a message asking that you should allow access to the microphone and to the camera. So there you have to click on allow so that you are in a position to use those two devices that are on your computer. So when you allow, then you will be in a position to have access to your photo and you will be in a position to go ahead and talk so that other people can hear your views. So to start a meeting, you just come and click on join now. So when you click on this join now, you're going to create a link that you will send to other participants whom you want to join the meeting. So you just click on join now. So when you click on join now, then you'll have this screen appearing for you. So once the screen appears, then this message again will pop up. It is from this dialog box that you will use this very link to share with those participants you would like to engage in the video conference. So what you do is to copy the link. So below here it will show you that you have now copied it into the clipboard. You can go ahead and send the link to other participants so that they can join, or else you can just use this add people so that you add those those participants you want. So I will just click to close. So from this screen we have option. The first one here is to turn off the microphone, so you can mute or unmute a microphone. So when you click on this microphone and it is with that cross, as we can see, it means that you will not be in position to talk and other people hear you. So if you want others to hear what you're saying, then you have to unmute, then the microphone will be turned on. Then this one is to leave the meeting. On top here it is showing us leave call. That is after the meeting is done. You should always remember to click this button so that you leave the meeting room. Otherwise your data may continue moving. Then this one is to turn on and off the camera. Right now you are viewing me because the camera is turned on. So if you don't want to be viewed, you just click on that camera button, then you will not be in a position to see the live picture, but you can see the picture on someone's account. Then on this point we have turn on caption. So when you click on it, words that you will be speaking will be displayed on the screen for other people to see. So when you click, then it will start being displayed on other people's screens. So if you don't want, so you can just click and you remove it or turn it off. Then if you want to go ahead and present some information to other people, then you use this present now. Before we can use that, let's look at these other buttons. We have this button here. It helps you to know how many people are connected to this video conference that you are in. So you can click, then those individuals will be displayed on this area. Then if you want to participate in the video conferencing by sending some messages, then you can use this button for chat. So when you click on chat, then below here on your screen you can click there and maybe type some information like hello members. After, you can press on enter or you click on that button, then your message will be sent to other people. So to close this area, you just use this button and it will be closed. And then we have some other settings that you can explore from this very point, but we shall not go through all of them. I just urge you to try to check out all these other settings so that you get familiar with this Google Meet platform. So to present, you'll just come and click on this present now. So when you click on present now, you will go ahead and say I would like to present the entire screen. So you click that entire screen. Then this this dialog box will be displayed for you. So if it is not, if the share button is not active, you just come and click on this area, then the share button will be active. So now you can click. So when you click, now you are in a position to start sharing your screen with other participants. Here it is telling us you are presenting to everyone, implying that all other people can now see what you are doing. So if you go and you click on start, then the rest of the people will be seeing, this person has now clicked on the start button. So if you are done with presentation, then you can use this area to stop the presentation or come and click on stop sharing. So when you click on it, then you will be taken back once again. If you accidentally closed the other menu or the other dialog box that appeared to allow you copy the link and send to other people, you still have the opportunity to access it from this point where we see meeting details. So when you click, you will be in position to access the link. You copy it and share it to other people. So when you start the meeting, you have to ensure that you always remember to admit those who are asking to join that meeting or the video conference. For instance, if someone asks to join the meeting, there is a message that pops up on your screen, like the one you are going to see there. So this message will always come notifying you that someone wants to join this meeting. So the work of that person who has started the meeting is to ensure that he or she can continue at the meeting so that he enables other people to join the meeting. So you just click admit. So when you click admit, then that individual will be displayed on the screen. So you can now see here we have got 2 participants. You can just click and you see the participants from that side. Hope you found this video tutorial useful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.